if y'all see me sweating, my AC not working. It's 92 degrees in here, so we still trying to make it happen. But what y'all think about that, man? Alabama, man. You know, I had just posted a video of Destin, Florida, with a bunch of black people fighting.
Fighting in the water. I seen it.
You know, Martin Luther King, Rosa Parks, everybody that's up there smiling down like, ooh, and it couldn't have happened to better people. Alabama whites. Oh, yeah. What? Oh, yeah. Y'all deserve that. Y'all know that.
They was flat. Hell yeah, they flat out wrong.
Yeah.
If that man would have really hauled off on them like that, they would have been mad.
Right.
Because I'm asking y'all to move.
But that's always been their problem with authority. They never like it whenever, especially if it's coming from us. Like, who the fuck you talking to, nigga? Move my boat. For what? This is America. All right?
Okay, my fucking boat.
What Martin say? Move over, darky. This is my country, nigga.
That's so cool.
And look, black, you know, it's so many of us that couldn't swim. They couldn't wait for that boat to dock so they could get off. One dude that hopped in the water.
He said, forget it. He dove in the water.
Yeah, he dove in that water and went help, man. That's real, bro. They still looking for the black man with the chair, asking him to turn himself in. I didn't see a chair. I don't know what the police are talking about. I didn't see a chair. Did y'all see a chair?
No,
I didn't see.
I didn't see shit. I don't know what they're talking about.